So yeah.
Okay.
But
So it did just wake up, but this is my phone case.
AirPod case.
And I'm going to be showing you guys. So without that, I'll just show you the normal case. Yep, and it's got the front saying metallic at the top, charger thing, plug, baby pink,
Metallic
little thing where it says 0%, Goodman's writing, side, back, obviously the thing to open it with, that, yeah. My actual pods are pink, baby pink, so yeah. Yeah.
So yeah, they're both pink.
The side, the front, whatever.
And then this is their case.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
I did do a voiceover, but
baby pink on the top with a little white.
yes, it's got baby pink on the top.
Cute, a few white dots.
That can open.
On the back, it's got a white
with a white line, tips with a white line. Yeah.
Green, well, not green too.
Then it's got like a light purple around it with white dots.
White dots.
Yeah.
Now the front,
And then a dark purple with the baby pink in the middle.
Purple with some
Charging
white
point.
dots.
And white dots around
baby
it.
pink.
So yeah, that's my case. I'll show you it now.
Let me see what it's like with it in.
I don't even know what I'm saying.
So yeah,
That's it with
this
on.
I did just take it out.
And you can open it like that. Yep. So yeah.
And yeah,
Case.
that's it. Bye.